rescue really is not about volume. It's not about blame. It's about responsibility in rescue of how we rescue, how we handle, how we evaluate, and place these dogs. The term save them all sounds compassionate, sounds like a great goal. However, in the end, it does not save dogs. It's a buzzword. It's something that's just used for fundraising, and it sounds good. Many times we rescue with good intentions, but the outcomes is what we value, what we have to look at. The outcomes of dogs that are rescued quickly don't always net great results. Posting dogs on social media gets rewards, but unfortunately many dogs pay a price you don't see on social media. Applauses fade, consequences don't. Rescue is not being a savior. It's about being worthy of a dog's trust and love.
Sunshine, sunshine, sunshine. I think I found it now. What I've been looking for. Isn't it beautiful? It's got my head all up in the clouds. I think I found it now. Everything I want might be a miracle. No, I'm never coming down. I don't gotta worry about a single thing. I can feel the light coming down on me. Sunshine on my face. I got sunshine on my face. I don't gotta care in the world right now. Higher than the ceiling, breaking through the clouds. Sunshine on my face. I got sunshine on my face. Yeah, I got sunshine. I got sunshine. I got sunshine. I gotta let you know, it's so incredible. I'm finally letting go. Up, up and away, yeah we go. I found my flow right on time, and now I know what it feels like to shine like gold. Up, up and away, yeah we go. I don't gotta worry about a single thing. I can feel the light coming down on me. Sunshine on my face. I got sunshine on my face. I don't gotta care in the world right now. Higher than the ceiling, breaking through the clouds. Sunshine on my face. I got sunshine on my face. Yeah, I got sunshine. I got sunshine. I got sunshine. I gotta let you know, I got sunshine. I got sunshine. I got sunshine. I got sunshine.